Hi guys, in our last module we have defined our iProduct repository interface, and in this module we are going to create the product repository that will implement interface definition. What is a repository? A repository is a pattern used to hide data access logic. For example, SQL, EF Core, Mongo API, and so on from the rest of the application. It acts like a data gateway between the business logic and our database. So let's go to our other stream.product.infrastructure project. Right click it and create a new folder. Add new folder. Let's call that one to repositories. And here we are going to create product repository class. Product repository. So let's call our iProduct repository here. I can just come here. Our iProduct repositories here. Let's remove the unnecessary uses. So let's come here, control period, and implement interface. So here we are. Let's turn this one to public, because it will be needed. The iProduct repository will be needed in the application project. Okay, here the first thing to do here is to call our product context. So come here and do private read only product context, but I like this one to be context instead of db context. This one should be product context. We have it defined there, and then we come here and do this one public, the constructor. We create the constructor here. So here we have public product repository, product context is equals to this one. Okay, so now let's go here and implement all of them one after the other. For the add, first of all, let's put async here and come down here. So this is how it's going to be. Wait, context the product.add async product constellation. This is the product, and then the constellation is defined at the other side. The constellation is here, and we have this one. I can also do this, and then go here and do await content.save changes async. So I have this one. The next is to go to the delete product. Let me also put my async here and come here and do this one to get the code for me. Okay, so first of all, we'll get the product by the product ID. So I'll come here and do of our product await context of product to find async new object product ID cancellation token, and then come down here and do if product is not now, remove the product with its ID, and then save to database. The next one is get all products. So here, this is what we need to do. Var product equals to await context of product to list all. So let me remove this one as I don't need it. This one should be using Microsoft.entity framework. So I can come here and do it manually. So let me put it here. Microsoft Entity Framework. And what is this? Convert to list other product to other. Okay. So here, let me try this one. Let me try to return it and see what we are going to get. I'll take off the return. Okay, so these are not needed, but then it's still completing. Okay, but then it's still complaining. I think I know why we are getting that. Okay, get all. This one should be enumerable. So we need to go back to our interface class, our product repository interface class, and change the get all to enumerable. Do it this way. Copy it and come and do the same thing here. So then let me put my var products is equals to this and then return it. Let me take off the await from here and put it here. Okay, we are good. Next is the get product by ID. So we come here and put our async here and do this. So let's see what we have here. The product find async. I can do this or do single or default. So I get this one. Let's go to our product by name. Same implementation. Async here and take off this one and we get our code. Var product is equals to await context of product dot first or default dot value is equals to product name. Cancellation token, this is our product name here. Cancellation token, this get a single product. Now we get a count, the total number of product in our system. So I'll come here and remove this one and come here. So var count is equals to await context dot product dot count async cancellation token and then return the count. Now we come for our update. We'll have the same implementation, nothing new. Context of product or update product and this one to save to persist the changes to the database. So this is our implementation. Next, we'll move to the other stream.product.application project where we are going to talk about CQRS.